Hey Google, how does air fryer work?
According to Wikipedia, an air fryer is a kitchen appliance that cooks by circulating hot air around the food using the convection mechanism.
A mechanical fan circulates the hot air around the food at high speed, cooking the food and producing a crispy layer via the Maillard effect.
This air fryer looks really amazing in this piano black, and then on the top it has this round control panel, and on the bottom it has the basket. And you can take the basket out, and then if you press this key here, let's do it again. Oh my god. On the bottom it has this tray. You can take it out to put your stuff in, and if you click this button here, it will release the basket from the tray. It has a 3.4 quarter capacity, so you can fry a lot of food at the same time. Now let's see how it works. For security reasons, you need to long press on the power button to turn it on. So now it's on. If you click on the mode, it has different presets for different food like chicken wings, beefs, fries, all kind of things. It already has a preset temperature and a preset time, so you can just easily put your food in and then start to fry them. And you can always customize the setting. So if you click on the right side, you can change the temperatures, and if you click on the left side, you can change the time. After you're done with the setting, you can just press the start button. And then you get like a huge loud fan noise, which means it starts working now. I think it's better to show you than to tell you, so let's move to the kitchen now. Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. It's very small, so I have two squatting to be fit into this camera. Otherwise it will be like this. So I already have the chicken wings ready, but before everything we need to preheat this machine. First we need to set the temperature to 390 degrees. Preheat it 4 minutes and then press start. And now it's preheated, so I'll come back after it's done. So it's done preheating, I'll take it out and then I'll place the chicken wings into the basket. So now I have all the chicken wings inside the basket already, I'll put them back in. So based on the recipe BESTEK provided, I should be frying the chicken wings for 10 to 12 minutes under a temperature of 356 degrees, and then I need to roast them for 10 minutes with a temperature 300 degrees. So let's do that. Okay, so time is up and let's see how it looks. Wow, it's smoking, so I have to get it far away from the chicken wings. So I need to change the temperature to 302 and roast it for 10 more minutes. Let's do that. To 302 and for another 10 minutes. Okay, let's take out the chicken wings. It looks amazing. Can you see it? Wow, such a beautiful color. I'll grab one and taste it now. Ta-da! Okay, so this is a chicken wing. Wow. Okay, I'll take my first bite. So good. Okay, so I'm not talking anymore because I'm hungry. Okay, I'll be finishing my chicken wings and yeah, that's it.
Not yours, I got this one.
Thank you for watching Liu and Tech. I'll see you next time with some new stuff.